1,999 plus lang ba talaga ang buffet sa Soler? We tried Fresh International Buffet during a weekday lunch to find out kung sulit ba siya. Meron siyang seafood, sushi, sashimi, carving station, at desserts. Pero sa 1,999 pesos plus, worth it ba? Let's find out. Kaya for today's videos, nasa Fresh International Buffet tayo sa Soler Resort and Casino. And instead of dinner, weekday lunch ang pinili namin. So kung curious kayo kung ano ang makukuha nyo sa 1,999 pesos plus, samahan nyo kami. For weekday lunch, Fresh is open from 12 noon to 3 p.m. The current rate is 1,999 plus per person. For weekend lunch is 3,499 plus. For dinner, the seafood indulgence buffet is 3,999 pesos plus. Since we're inside Soler, dress code is smart casual. Now let's talk about the food. Obviously, seafood agad ang first stop namin. May different seafood selection sila. And here's an important thing to remember. Unlimited lobster is not included in weekday lunch. It's available during weekday dinner and weekend lunch and dinner. So kung lobster ang main reason ninyo for visiting, better schedule accordingly. Pero marami pang ibang choices. Fresh also features international selections and rotisserie carvings, so hindi lang seafood ang option nyo. You can go Japanese, then seafood, then meat, then balik ulit sa seafood. That's the beauty of buffet. And of course, dessert. May dedicated dessert bar, so save some space because this is where things get dangerous. Sabi nga nila, there's always room for dessert. So, is Fresh Buffet worth 1,999 plus for weekday lunch? For us, if you're looking for a premium buffet with seafood, Japanese selections, international dishes, carving stations, and desserts, yes, it's definitely worth considering. But if your priority is unlimited lobster, go for the dinner or the weekend. So ikaw, 1,999 weekday lunch or unlimited lobster? Comment your choice below. Kaya muli, this is Videos. See you on next vlog. Okay? Next! Come join the party, celebrate the sweet so bright. Enjoy the God, the one we love, enjoy the fun. Enjoy the good time, celebrate and celebrate. Work and celebrate, so we God, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday! Thank you! Thank you! Happy birthday po! Thank you so much! Birthday na ni 24!
24! 2480, grabe pare.
Pero ang babay talaga ng crew nila dito. Tsaka si atin yung dessert lang. Thank you, Soler. Thank you, Soler.